Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So I'm here with this really cute summer trending hair. You can never go wrong with a nice cute curly bob. And I decided to do two braids at the top to give it this cute summer look off of my face. So this is the hair that I received. It came with a pamphlet, how to care for the hair, a cap, elastic band, all that good stuff. And as you can see here, the hairline has been pre-plucked. The curls look amazing. Just wait till you guys see how this hair looks after I have put some water to it. I didn't even have to add any products and the curls were popping and look amazing. Alright y'all, so I was going ahead and apply my ball cap, just trying to make sure this go ahead and dry completely so I can install my wig. I'm just going to go ahead and condition this hair so I can apply it wet. And the knots has already been bleached. You see the knots have been bleached, so I don't have to bleach the knots. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet the hair so I can get the curls to pop through, so I won't have to do all that work while it's on my head. And then I'll go ahead and apply it. I'll be back once this has dried and I'll wet my wig. So I'm using Bold Hold. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my wig. It is on, honey, nice and secure. I'm gonna go ahead and do my braids. Take some of my Nairobi foaming lotion and put that on my part. This is gonna help it sleek it down. This, you don't even have to use a hot comb when you use this because it is that bomb, y'all. But you know, use a hot comb to get it like extra flat. So let me wet this some more. That's why I like to have my wig wet from the jump. It just helps with the braiding. Come through, braid, come through. Now let's just see if I can get the other side like this. So I'm just taking out a little bit of hair just so I can like kind of cover up the lace. If you know how to do your frontals without putting baby hair to cover up the lace, then do that, sis, because I don't. Because some girl was in my comment like, if you know how to do hair, you wouldn't have to take baby hair to cover your frontal. Well, baby, I guess I don't. I'm gonna take some holding spray, put that on there. Okay, I like it like that. It look good. I would rather have my baby hair like this versus like none like this. Of course, you want to keep it natural looking or no baby hair. This is for you, sis. Just braid it up and leave it. But for my girls, they're like baby hair. And for me, because this is my head, because y'all aggy. Y'all be all in my comments. Like, baby girl, I like baby hair. Ooh, I got the hiccups. Okay, guys, so here's another quick and easy wig style that you can do. Very cute, and like these two little braids are like trending at the moment. So, you know, they're really cute, and you can wear it with like curly hair or straight hair, whatever, and they look really good. So, let me know what you think about this. I just love this wig. It is bomb. The hair is really, really soft. I've worked with this company before, I think. It's just really, really soft. I'm loving the hairline. It's very, very natural. I love my baby hair. Oh. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. That's all that I have for this video for now. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this cute, short, curly bob wig and what you think about these trending two braids here. All right, guys, click the link down below to check out this hair. I love you. Bye.